We have arrived at part 4 of the Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series. In this series, we're exploring organizing concepts that will help you declutter and maintain your newly organized spaces. This concept is really different, but I like it because traditional methods of decluttering and organizing don't work for some people, and maybe this is you. Have you tried the KonMari method or color coding without success? This suggestion might not be right for you either, but maybe it'll get you thinking about something that's right up your alley. It's sometimes easier and more fun to make your organizing project more like something else. Consider working as though you're reading a book. The book is your room. The furniture is a chapter. The storage within each piece of furniture, paragraphs. And finally, items in each space, the words. Start editing the words and don't work on the paragraphs until they seem to run more smoothly. When thinking of organizing as a book, you'll find these 3 things. 1, you'll be able to keep focused on the task at hand. 2, you'll work on one chapter at a time, resisting the urge to move on to something else. And 3, you'll find motivation for a project that doesn't seem exciting to you. It works because you'll be focusing on a method of organizing that will be different than what you've used before. You can edit how you'd like in this project. Once you've started and develop your method of editing, you can use it throughout your space. This idea really brings home that one solution does not fit all. And by using an out-of-the-box concept, it might spark your creativity and get you to organize your space. Follow along with the Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series for different strategies to get rid of what's holding you back.